Stop recording me.
Oh, mailman.
Flag got stuck. What, you recording already?
Yeah, my lens is locked up too. It'll only go through digital zoom. It won't go back in like it's supposed to.
Look at me squatting down.
Hey, see if you can clear him without touching him.
Alright, do that again.
Oh! From on here, it looked like you landed on him.
Oh shit.
Shit, did I say your name or did I say unknown?
I don't even know.
I don't know, but that was too epic to even worry about it. Like you were teabagging the back of his head. They gonna think y'all gay. He's like, I can do that too. Y'all are an embarrassment to white people everywhere.
Oh shit.